I'm looking for some help. This is recorded on February the 8th in 2024. Are you serious about helping your people at work with their mental health and well-being? Are you really serious about it? Do you want results? Do you want a fantastic approach that will get results immediately for them, and the ripple effect across your business will be fantastic? Interested? Okay. I'm planning to do some launch activities which are talk to up to 200 people in one go. We do a workshop with a demo of havening, which is a fantastic revolutionary way of calming people down, enabling them to achieve things they never thought possible. Secondly, on the same day after the talk, where everybody gets to learn how to self-haven and bring themselves down, deal with worries and anxieties, we then move on to perhaps 10 people. I bring in some of my colleague practitioners and we work on 10 people immediately for up to an hour. And we get rid of whatever it is that bothers them immediately. Or that's our aim anyway. Depends on the complexity of the subject, but we'll try and select people where we can make that kind of impact. Following that, we then work with other people who need more complex interventions, and we're researching it all. We're monitoring how things are going because I want to get some decent research on activities within a company. So, sound good so far? All right. Well, the next stage is even better because from April, I'm going to be launching a new program which is combining all of that I've just talked about earlier, giving the results so that you get instant feedback and you know that your money spent is actually making results. And on top of that, there's a link to corporate social responsibility where you get to prove the effect that you're making in 10 schools locally. Because we will go out free of charge to 10 schools and apply some of this effective intervention immediately. So 10 talks to schools, and depending on what the investment is, we can look at different packages for however many school children you want to work with and help them with their own mental health and background and potential trauma. So something to really consider. Get in touch if you'd like to know more. And this is a limited time offer. So yeah, get in touch quick. All right. Thanks for watching.